Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be looking at magnification gesture, constrained magnification gesture. So in the last video, we saw how we have this image, and if we want to zoom in and out, we can zoom in and out as much as possible. But there is a problem with this because you may want to constrain this like how much zoom level is applied. So that's what you're gonna see, like how we can constrain that a gesture to basically limit minimum and maximum zoom level. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna continue from previous examples. So I'm simply gonna create two more variables here, and both of them can be private. So private let min zoom, and we're gonna allow min zoom to be like maybe 1 or 0.75. So and then we're gonna have max zoom at 3. Okay, and these are going to be our min and maximum zoom, and we can also leverage gesture state. So let's take a look at gesture state as well, because we haven't seen how gesture state actually works here. So we're going to leverage that. So private var magnification level. Okay, and we're still going to keep our zoom level. What we're going to do, basically, we're going to create a function that's going to set zoom for us, and it's going to take magnification, current magnification, and it's going to return the calculated magnification. So basically, all we are setting is like we want to set our magnification to the level where it doesn't go beyond the maximum allowed limit. Okay, so we are going to use we're going to simply say return maximum, and then we're going to compute first minimum of self.zoom level times magnification that's been passed on here. We're gonna take that one value and minimum of between that and maximum zoom. Okay, so you're gonna take the minimum of one of these, and we're gonna take the minimum of sorry. So first we're gonna take minimum of zoom level times magnification. Okay, so if this one is okay, and let's do self dot here as well. Okay, so we're gonna take zoom level and zoom level times magnification, and minimum between this one and the maximum zoom. So your magnification can go like 4 or 5 during the gesture state. So we want to limit that. So we want to say if that goes beyond, then take the maximum value that we are providing. So minimum of these two, and then whatever comes out, we want to take the maximum of that. So we have minimum zoom, and we want to take maximum of either this or this, right? So that's going to be cases where we are zooming out. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so these need to be defined as CG float, like so, and I'm going to copy paste here. Okay, that way we can. Okay, there you go. So in case of zoom scale effect, we are simply going to say that we need set zoom with magnification is going to be magnification level. Okay, that's what we're going to supply, and it's going to set that zoom. And on the gesture state, instead of applying on change, we're going to say updating. Okay, and updating, we're going to observe magnification level. And here it's going to be simple. We're going to simply say that we want our state to be the same as value, right? State, remember, represents the current state of supplied observing variable. Okay, and then on ended. Okay, we get the value, that's the CG float, and we simply say self dot zoom level is equal to self dot set zoom, and once again we're going to supply the value here. Okay, what this is going to do is going to limit minimum and maximum, because we are actually stopping our computation and setting min max zoom level every single time when user actually applies that gesture. So with that, our code is complete. So let's go ahead and take a look by running it in the simulator. So I'm gonna hold Option key and gonna try to zoom in, and there you go. So as you can see, my zoom in is still going in, and if I try to zoom out, I cannot go beyond this. Yeah. So as you can see, we have our constrained magnification gesture or constrained pinch gesture created. And once again, this experience is important. As you can see, like, this gives you as a creator a little bit more control over how your UI is going to behave when user actually zooms in. So that's where this is important. So constraint based magnification is something that you can actually do on any of the views. So in this case, we used image. You can use any other component to apply the same logic, right? Hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching.